To do the rest of the repairs inside the power pack will need to be removed from the lifter. So put the brake on the lifter. We'll go ahead and remove the hand control. Disconnect the power to the motor. Disconnect any auxiliary cables, which would be the light. Loosen the knob on the power pack. Slide the bracket up and pull the power pack off the lifter. If you have a cart or table, you would put the power pack down on that. So to access the controls that are inside the power pack, there's 8 Phillips head screws, 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top that need to be removed. That'll allow you access inside. One note, when opening the cover, just remember there are connected wires to the switch and the battery gauge, so you do just want to fold it down. If you disconnect the Molex connector that goes to the battery indicator, it'll allow you to move the battery cover off to the side, just giving you more access. Removal and replacement of the battery set. The batteries are the same. They're 2 12-volt batteries, and we will show the disconnection here. The batteries are delivered. That has a hex head screw on it that's also a Phillips head. And the spare batteries are the batteries only, so all the hardware and wires will have to be kept for the next set. That releases the batteries. They can then be pulled out, which is done a little bit easier if the power pack is sitting up. The batteries just slide out. So this would be a spare set of batteries. We'll now show insertion back into the power pack. Inserting the batteries is done easier with the power pack sitting down. Please note the orientation of the leads. So the terminals are always to the outside of the power pack with the positive on the right. And make sure you don't catch any wires when putting the batteries back in. The negative terminal is put to the left battery negative terminal. The center location, you join the positive from the left battery to the negative of the right battery. And then the positive power comes out of the right terminal of the right battery, and that feeds the power to the Curtis card and the auxiliary output. Best is to put it on its back. Again, connect the battery meter indicator. This is a one-way connection as well. And then the most important thing when putting the cover on is that you avoid pinching any of the wires between the cover. So just make sure they're all down. Slide it over, and then you'll have the 8 screws to replace. 4 on top, 4 across there, and then there's 4 on the bottom.